Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I am going to discuss about Cannizzaro reaction. One of the named reaction, Cannizzaro reaction. Okay students, so first write the equation. Formaldehyde plus formaldehyde gives rise CH3OH, forms CH3OH plus HCOONA. Okay students, so what is Cannizzaro reaction? Cannizzaro reaction means an aldehydes which do not having alpha hydrogens react each other in presence of concentrated base like NaOH or KOH, then forms alcohol and acid salts. Here the condition is aldehydes must aldehydes do not having alpha hydrogens. Okay students, so take another example, benzaldehyde. So in benzaldehyde also there is no alpha hydrogen. Benzaldehyde C6H5CHO plus C6H5CHO, 2 moles of benzaldehyde when reacts with NaOH or KOH, potassium hydroxide, strong bases like NaOH or KOH, we get benzyl alcohol CH2OH, benzyl alcohol plus potassium benzoate. Okay students, so once I repeat, Cannizzaro reaction means aldehydes which do not having alpha hydrogens react each other in presence of concentrated base like NaOH or KOH, so converts into alcohol and acid salts. Suppose if you take 2 moles of formaldehyde reacts with NaOH, so here we get methyl alcohol, and this is sodium formate. Suppose if we take benzaldehyde, 2 moles of benzaldehyde reacts with potassium hydroxide, strong base potassium hydroxide, we get benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate. So let us discuss the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Okay students, so in this mechanism we have 2 steps. First of all, in this, suppose take this second reaction, so KOH, first KOH is ionized into K plus OH minus, Okay students, so in this OH minus is nucleophile, so this nucleophile first reacts with benzaldehyde. So take benzaldehyde, C double bond O H, OH minus. So this OH minus attacks to this carbon and this bond migrates towards oxygen. Then this oxygen gets negative charge, so OH attack to this carbon. So we get C6H5 CO minus bond H OH. Okay student, so this is called hydroxy alkoxide ion. Okay student, so this is a fast reaction. fast reaction. So this hydroxy alkoxide ion again reacts with another mole of benzaldehyde, C6H5 C double bond O H. Okay, student. So in this hydrogen is removed as a hydride ion H minus. So this hydrogen removed as a H minus. So then this carbon gets positive charge. So this electron pair migrated towards carbon. So we get C6H5 C double bond O OH. C6H5 C double bond O OH. C double bond O OH plus, so this this bond migrated towards oxygen. So oxygen gets negative charge and carbon gets positive charge. So this hydride ion attached to this carbon, H minus ion attached to this carbon, we get C6H5 C O minus H and H. This is a slow reaction and also called as rate determining step. This is a slow step or rate determining step. Okay, students. So next, after that, proton transfer will take place. Proton transfer will take place from this benzoic acid. So this proton transferred to the O minus ion. So here proton transfer will take place. Proton transfer will take place. Proton transfer will take place. So this proton attached to this oxygen, we get C6H5CH2OH. C6H5CH2OH. So this is called benzyl alcohol plus C6H5 COO minus is also formed. So this benzoate ion C6H5COO minus means benzoate ion. So this benzoate ion again reacts with K plus. So finally converted into C6H5COOK, potassium benzoate. This is potassium benzoate. So 2 moles of benzaldehyde when reacts with potassium hydroxide, we get benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate. This is the mechanism for Cannizzaro reaction. So in Cannizzaro reaction, we observe one aldehyde converts into alcohol. That means here reduction takes place, and one aldehyde is converts into salts of acid. That means here oxidation takes place. So in Cannizzaro reaction, one aldehyde converts into alcohol. And first aldehyde, and second aldehyde converts into acid salt. So here reduction takes place. In this oxidation takes place. So that's why Cannizzaro reaction is also called as, or one of the example for redox reactions. Okay, students, hope you understand. Please share video to more number of students and please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.